Hello, I'm Matilda from King's Accommodation and Brixton Property Blog. I'm here with Sebastian from
M1 Building Solution. Hello everyone.
And we will be going through to show you what we will do with the property. We are planning to renovate it. We want to increase the value. The property will go back on the letting market. It's a 2-bedroom flat with lovely garden, not in a great condition at the moment, but let's see what we can do. So the front, as you can see, is not really presentable. So what's the plan here, Sebastian?
Like we can see the rendering is coming off from this side, from the wall, and on this side as well.
So all of this you will take off and then apply new one, or
apply new rendering here, but just this part on this side and on the other side.
okay.
And the door and the frame looks quite bad. Need to be sanding down, filling the holes, cracks, and repainted.
So we don't need new doors. You are able to repair it and then.
Yes, we need to spend a little bit of time, but yeah, it's possible.
Okay, I will look at as new.
Of course. And the glass needs to be changed, I think, as well. Yeah,
Yes,
for a little bit more than one.
Yeah. Okay. The communal hall, so general repairs to the walls as well, and painting. So this is that's already in here. As we walk into a property. So kitchen is got a bit of awkward shape. So what we are planning to do, first of all, we need to find a space for the fridge, because fridge at the moment is in the middle of the kitchen, so it doesn't really. Oh, sorry, Sebastian. It's we need to do something about it. So the plan is to make some space in here. So we will move the boiler. Where do you want to move the boiler?
We're going up.
In here, yeah?
Yes.
So then it will. So the certified plumber will.
Yeah, of course.
Will be needed.
Yes.
Yeah. And then. So how do you do that? Because it's got a flue and the flue is going this way. So you're going to move completely.
Yeah, the flue needs to be go this way anyway, but we need to be a little bit higher.
Okay.
Because the windows.
Okay. Yeah, and then the tiles and all of this will go off. And we will just create a new kitchen. We are planning to do the kitchen from Howdens. They are doing the design as we speak, so we can get when the fridge goes from here, it will make quite a lot of more space. We are planning to. There are only 3 spotlights at the moment here, so we are planning to add more spotlights in here, and then we would like to have like a pendant going down. So when we have because there will be like a dining space for the dining table in here. So you don't know that yet about the pendant. So is it's possible?
Yeah, of course, yeah.
Yeah. So I think it will make nice and bright. This is a living room. So living room, it's quite spacious. So what's the plan? Are we taking, because we are planning to put the carpet here, so will you be taking the floor out, or will we be preparing the floor?
There is 2 options, or we can leave it like it's now. Obviously it's in ground flooring, it will be more isolation.
Okay.
Or we can rip it off and recarpet the room.
Okay, so then the plywood needs to go underneath or something like this, yeah?
Yes, underline, yes.
Oh, okay. And then in here it's quite okay. Well, so those kind of cracks, is that a big job, or?
No, it's nothing big to be repaired. And yeah, the seals needs to be sanded, of course, and repainted.
Okay, so we are not going to install new ones, just to sand down and then redo it. That's good. You can save some money. Okay, a fireplace is lovely, so we will just make it nice. All of the furniture going. The previous tenant, they damaged this part. They were trying to open the door. So this will be repaired, yeah?
Yes, but we are planning to as well to replace the door cartridge for new one as well.
Okay, so it will. Oh, okay, yeah. So it will look nice. So we are trying to achieve a very luxurious look. So what we can repair we will, but most of the stuff we will just change. skirting. Skirting is staying. You will just make it nice, yeah. Okay, cool. So this is what we are going to do in here. This is yeah. In here we just need to do the general clear out.
Yes, and we are thinking to jet wash this area, the concrete and the steps. The steps could be painted as well, mostly paint.
Yeah, I think we will go for that. Yeah, so it looks nice. Okay. Yeah. So this is what I was saying. It's awkward shape, so it was very difficult for even for the tenants to go around. So this bedroom doesn't really need much. Yeah, so it's really like all of the furniture are going. Carpet has to be taken off. We had some leak in the past, so is that a matter of painting only, or?
Yeah, we need to treat the stain with water stain gloves and repaint it.
Okay, great. And so yeah, here general repairs. A big job in the bathroom. This is quite awkward. No, there's no lights at the moment. So at the moment there is a glass window, and then owner couldn't really attach the shower screen. So what they have done, they just put a this is not good. This is not good. So the plan is we don't want that.
Yes.
So what can be done?
We're gonna block the window with partitional walls.
Also, you're going to do partition wall, and then
this gonna be.
But that, sorry, let me just stand on it. So, but we're not going to have anything like this anymore.
No, gonna be like nice and flush, yeah.
So it's going to be a normal wall, and
yes.
Yeah, good. And then all the tiles will go.
The floor needs to be changed as well. The plywood needs to be changed under the floor. As you can see, it's uneven and something going.
Okay. Oh, okay. So not only to take it all the underneath the flooring, the plywoods have to be changed.
Yes.
Okay. Are they a normal plywoods, or they are like a?
Like waterproof plywoods, yeah.
Good. So we are planning to put carpet in the bedrooms and in this hall. So no, but in the hall we don't want to have carpet actually.
Yes, we are planning to put laminated floor.
So what about the level? Is this not going to be like?
No, because we're gonna remove the floor. I mean,
and actually it's not too straight, so you will need to.
Yeah, we will decide after when we remove the floor if the plywood needs to be changed or.
Okay. Yeah.
Or not.
And we had some issues with the guttering, so this was all damp. It's dry now, but this is coming off.
Needs to be hacked off.
Oh, so that will be hacked off.
Yes,
and,
treated with the damp stain and replastering just this section.
Okay, so replaster, good, and then rest needs to be. Yeah.
Just the stickers.
Okay, cool. So this will go off and the cracks.
Yeah, the cracks, nothing big. Obviously there was a lot of water leak before, and that's what's causing the cracks.
So how do you normally do that? Do you cut this off?
Yeah,
or?
making it a little bit bigger, and sometimes if the crack is if it's big, we are putting some special net, and after we are filling out. Yeah.
So you will see when you start working on it.
Yes.
Yeah. We had a situation that once we had that small leak, and when was it in one of the properties, and then you dig the ceiling down, and it turned out that actually half of the ceiling collapsed. Yeah. So hopefully it won't happen, but yeah. Okay, cool. And this is big. So be careful. So all of this has to go.
Obviously, yes.
And what about the construction underneath?
Yeah, the joists
as
are
well,
very rotten and very bad condition.
So we are taking this off completely.
Yes, as well the fence.
The fence is going
The
to
panels
be
are
repaired.
okay. We're gonna just refit the posts.
Okay, and then make it nice.
Make it
And,
nice. Yeah.
and we are possibly planning, yeah, and then we will repaint it nice. And yeah, and we are planning to do the same shape of the decking. So this one will be just grass, yeah. This is good. If you have a look in here, so this is the gutter, and the spout. As if you have a look, this is how the spout is ending. So a neighbor definitely is not happy. I'm not sure if they know what's happening in here. So this definitely has to be addressed. It has to be moved. So so is that an easy job?
Yeah, it's very easy. The spout needs to be moved to other side. The
But
gutter.
the water will go?
That's why the gutter needs to be refitted to make it.
Oh, okay. So
the level on
so
this
the
side.
level,
Yeah.
so the water goes that way. But that's, yeah. Okay. Cool.
Obviously, the ivy needs to be removed as well.
This ivy.
Yes, because
This
this
ivy.
could cause the damp as well in the bedroom. And
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So we will just basically make it nice and it should look good. So what do you think? How long it will take?
the project will take around 4 to 6 weeks, but we are planning to finish in 5 weeks.
Okay. So knowing
We will do
builders,
our best.
probably it will take 8 weeks, but we are aiming to do that in 4 weeks. We would like to have this property back on the market in about November.
Okay, yeah.
So
That's possible,
hopefully,
yeah.
hopefully we can do that. It really depends if what happens, because
Exactly,
normally
yeah.
when you start the work,
Normally some surprises are. Yeah.
hopefully not. Okay, so we will show you the result video in about, let's see, today we've got what? It's the 3rd of October, so let's see what the next video goes on. But hopefully we can get that sorted as soon as possible, and we will increase the value and show you the results. So thank you very much, and watch the space.
Thank you.